Total Wireless now uses eSIMs, or digital SIMs, for activation. This eliminates the need for physical SIM cards on compatible devices. This approach offers greater flexibility when switching carriers. The activation process involves three key components: a QR code, your device's IMEI, and a profile download. The key components are as follows. First, the QR code is a scannable barcode containing encrypted activation data. Second, the IMEI is a 15-digit unique identifier for your device, used for verification and compatibility checks. Third, the profile download transfers your network credentials over the air via Wi-Fi or cellular connection. You'll receive a QR code and IMEI confirmation after purchasing your Total Wireless plan. Make sure your device is eSIM compatible using Verizon's eSIM checker tool. Begin by accessing your device's cellular settings. On iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, and tap Add Cellular Plan. On Android devices, open the SIM Manager to add an eSIM. Scan the QR code provided by Total Wireless using your device's camera or eSIM app. If prompted, enter your device's IMEI number for verification. Download and install the eSIM profile. This takes 5 to 10 minutes with a stable internet connection. Once installed, activate the profile to connect to the Total Wireless network. For troubleshooting, use the Total Wireless app version 4.2 with AI assistance. Try Wi-Fi if network congestion occurs. QR codes expire after 48 hours. Contact support for issues.